Hello guys, welcome to Arithmetical for You. In the previous lecture, we will see about the matrices. What is the matrices? What is the importance of the matrices in the mathematics? Now, we will start about the types of the matrices. So first of all, please subscribe that channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates on the time. Now, we will see about the types of matrices. Types of matrices. The first matrix is column matrix. Column matrix. Here, a matrix is said to be column matrix if it has only one column. When a matrix contains only one column. Okay, like for example, A equals to 1, 2 and 3. It has only one column and 3 rows. One column and 3 rows. So the order of the matrix is 3 cross 1, where 3 will show about the number of row and 1 show about the number of column. Okay guys, in general we represent the column matrix like this: A equals to Aij m cross 1, where 1 will show the number of columns. Okay, and the order of the matrix is m cross 1, where m is the number of rows and 1 is the number of column. Now the next matrix is row matrix. The second one is row matrix. A matrix is said to be row matrix if it has only one row. Simple. When a matrix contains only one row, it means, for example, A equals to 1, 2, 3. Then here we see that only one row and 3 column. Okay, C1, C2 and C3. So the order of the matrix is 1 cross 3, where the 1 will represent the number of rows and 3 will represent the number of columns. Now the general representation of the row matrix is like that. The general representation of the row matrix like this: A equals to Aij, where I will show the row and j will show the column, and 1 cross n, where the 1 will show the number of rows, it will 1, and the n will show number of columns. The order of the matrix is 1 cross n. Okay guys, now we will move on the next matrix. The matrix is square matrix. Okay, third matrix, type of the third matrix is square matrix. In the square matrix, which have contain equal number of rows and the equal number of columns. A square matrix said to be a matrix said to be a square matrix. A matrix said to be a square matrix when the number of row are equal to the number of column. It means, for example, like this, A equals to, the rectangular boxes are represent the matrices, okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The 2 into 2, it means it have contained 2 row R1 and R2 and contain 2 columns C1 and C2. The order of the matrix is 2 cross 2. Okay, so the general representation of the matrix is, in the general representation of the matrix, like A equals to Aij m into n, where m equals to n, then it will like m cross m. Here the order of the matrix is m cross m. Okay, it will same number of rows and the same number of the columns. Now the further matrix is diagonal matrices. Okay, here you will see the diagonal matrices. First, number 4. This is diagonal matrices. A square matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if its non-zero elements are 0. Non-diagonal elements are 0. Okay, I'm sorry. A square matrix A equals to Aij m cross m is said to be a diagonal matrix when the non-diagonal elements are 0. Non-diagonal elements are 0. It means, for example, like A equals to 4, 1 cross 1, only one element is present. Next one is B equals to 1, 0, 0, 2, like only the main diagonal elements are present only. Okay, and the other diagonal element, other non-diagonal elements are 0. The order of the matrix also is 2 cross 2. Similarly, for the 3 order of the matrix, C equals to 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. Only the main diagonal element. This diagonal is called the main diagonal. Then rest of the diagonal, if this diagonal is present and other non-diagonal elements are 0, then it will not call a diagonal matrix. Only the main diagonal elements are present in the matrices. Okay, must be present in the matrices 3 cross 3. Now the fifth one is scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if the diagonal elements are equal. Like a diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix. Diagonal matrix equals to क्या? What is this? Scalar matrix. If the elements are equal. It means, like for example, A equals to 1, 0, 0, 1. The number of the value of element, first element A11 and the second element A22 are the same, so this will called the scalar matrix. The next example like 2, 0, 0, 2 also is called the scalar matrix. It means Bij equals to 0 when, for the journal purpose, Bij equals to 0 when I is not equals to j. It means non-diagonal elements are 0. Okay. And next, Bij equals to k when I equals to j. Okay. It means the I equals to j, I equals to j, I equals to j. It means 1 into 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Like these elements are same. Okay. The next matrix is identity matrix. Number 6. Identity matrix. Identity matrix, a square matrix which elements in the diagonal are 1 and rest of the elements are 0. In the square matrix, if diagonal element are present, and these elements value is equals to 1. For example, A equals to 1, 0, 0, 1. This will identity matrix where we see the main diagonal element are 1. Respectively, the scalar matrix is an identity matrix when the value of k equals to 1. The scalar matrix also said to be an identity matrix when the value of k equals to 1. Okay. The last one is zero matrix. Zero matrix. The zero matrix is said to be a zero matrix or null matrix if the all elements are 0. If zero matrix or null matrix is said to be when all elements are 0. For example, it will not must that it is a square matrix or other matrix, like just a matrix like with the contain all elements are 0 is called zero matrix, or we represent by O, which contain the zero matrix of any order. Okay. So guys, in the next video we will discuss about the equality of the matrix, and we will see the multiplication rule, subtraction rule, and the summation rule of the matrices. So we will meet in the next video. Please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.